Welcome to this final series of videos complementing our reward management textbook. In this three-part conclusion, we'll explore strategic reward management contextualized within HRM, see it in action through a case study, and tie everything together with a systems view. We'll also provide tips for your assessments along the way. Let's begin with the big idea of strategic reward management. Strategic reward management is about aligning an organization's reward practices with its overall business and related people management objectives. It's not just about paying people. It's about using rewards to influence the behaviors and outcomes that employees need to succeed. This concept has evolved alongside human resource management thinking. In the early days of HRM or personnel management, reward was often treated as almost a separate function. Today, it's recognized as a key strategic tool that interacts with all aspects of people management. Recognizing that recipients have a choice in how they exchange their commitment, expertise, and work effort for financial and other forms of compensation or recognition is crucial. People as multifaceted as the other stakeholders an organization may interact with, and thus demanding similarly intelligent attention, need to be at the center of our focus. While it may be a strategic tool of management, how it is used interactively with diverse workforce members will determine whether the investment pays off or not. Recognizing this leads us to the question, why is this alignment so crucial? Because rewards send powerful messages about what an organization values. If rewards offered don't match corporate strategy, they risk giving mixed signals to employees. Here's an example. Imagine a company that says innovation is key, but only rewards hitting short-term sales targets. What behavior do you think that actually encourages? Now let's dig a little deeper. Strategic reward involves several key elements: vertical integration with business strategy, horizontal integration with other HR practices, contribution to employee engagement and performance, and flexibility to adapt to changing business needs. So far, so logical. However, strategic reward management isn't without its critics. Some argue that it can lead to increased risk for employees through variable pay, potential for unfair treatment if not carefully handled by management at every organizational level, complexity that can be difficult to communicate and administer. Now for an assessment tip. In your assessments, you might be asked to critically evaluate the concept of strategic reward and its management. Remember to consider both its potential benefits and drawbacks, the need for fine-tuning matched to a diverse workforce, and always link your discussion back to overall organizational effectiveness. As we wrap up this first video on reward management and HRM, think about how the idea of strategic reward management relates to other concepts we've covered in this series of videos overall. In our next, we'll see how these ideas play out in the real world through a case study. Yet again, I invite you to stay tuned.